Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to I'm Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And today we're going to go over that $1 million answer to free organic gardening. Just as an example, using these tomatoes I planted 7 weeks ago only, just using leaf molds and my own soil that I have native to my area here. And this is the result. And there's a key thing, and I'll show you a diagram or a chart to explain simply how that worked, how I got all those minerals I need, change them into nutrients, and grow beautiful tomatoes without any blossom end rot or having problems with drying out. So we're going to go over that, and stick with me, and I'll show you how easy it is to understand. And it's a simple answer, and once you understand it, you can grow organic for free the rest of your life. Before I explain how organic gardening works with microbes in the soil, it is so simple. It applies to everything here. Like these zinnias I have growing in a raised bed that are absolutely just gorgeous to see and attract beneficial insects. They're just amazing. It works for some beautiful sunflowers, apple trees, pear trees, any kind of fruit trees. It's all the same. It works for all kinds of tomato plants also too, no matter the variety or height requirement. You can see here by this beautiful fruit set on this yellow pear variety. And it works amazingly well on our watermelon. We have one there, we have two here, and also a large one right there. And they're all doing well due to the soil food web and microbes. So this technique or method or understanding, which way you want to say it, works great with sweet corn. This has been grown in the same area for the last 3 years. Now I want to explain to you how easy it is to understand this. And it's backed up by science. It's not what I came up with. It's backed by one of the top scientists in the world, Dr. Elaine Ingham. And I'll leave her email on my Facebook page that explains this. And once you understand it, you can garden for free the rest of your life with organic gardening. Now, we have some leaf mold here that I put in the tomato bed, and I mixed that with soil, layering it up until I reached about 20 inches, and then I grew that over winter with some winter rye in there. And so what needs to happen is this. Your leaf mold here, or any organic matter, is going to be eaten by different kinds of bacteria, like hundreds of them, and also different kinds of fungi, hundreds of them. And what they do is they eat this, take the minerals out of the leaf mold, and store it in their bodies. Now, a lot of people think that that's just the answer, that we call those microbes, and they eat everything, and they poop it out, and those are plant available nutrients. No, this is step A. These two things are step A, and eat the organic matter, and break it down and store minerals in their body or nutrients. Now, what comes along after that is your predators, your protozoas and your nematodes. And what they do, they search out these two things here. And once they find them, they eat them, digest them, and then these two poop them out and then make them plant available to your plant of any kind on this planet. And don't have to worry about trying to get them in your garden. They will get there by themselves. That's how nature is so beautiful. It's always bringing things around. Now these two here can travel inside the body of let's say the body and also the feet of birds that come into your garden. And you're always worried about birds eating your vegetables, but they are delivering these two things to your garden. Bacteria, that's pretty much on everything all over this planet. Now fungi is a little bit different story. You need organic matter and a couple other things to keep it going. But I'm just going to keep this simple again too. And you can achieve growing fungi in your garden by using used coffee grounds. Now, with that simple understanding, you have your leaf mold eating first. Then group A, your bacteria and fungi, has to be balanced in your soil. Then they store all that material, organic matter and nutrients and minerals in their body. And then these two come along, eat these two, and guess what? They poop it out, and then you have the best free nutrients. Now, what also does this is worm castings. A worm inside its body has this also going on inside its digestive tract of the body. So when that worm eats that organic matter and poops it out, it also is available nutrients because it goes through this group A and it goes through this group B inside the intestines on the body, inside their body. And also, which is amazing, rabbit manure pretty much does the same thing too. So that's another good thing to get free available nutrients right to your plant. But in the soil food web, this is going on, and again, this is backed up by science, and it's cost over $1 million easily to figure this all out, to research it, document it, try it again, try it again, try it again. I think you got it. And try it again, and it all works, and it's proven by science. I hope I made everything simple and easy to understand. If anything is lacking and you have a question, please reach out to me in the comments below. These beautiful zinnias, I can't keep my eyes off of them. They're doing extremely well and just amazing. And they are also working off all that explanation I told you about, and they're doing so fine.